didn't even rip it. Hi guys, and welcome back to Vlogmas Day. Today we are decorating the tree, which is so much fun. It's actually pretty late for us for decorating the tree, but our tradition is usually we wear our matching PJs. I don't think that they're clean though, so we're not wearing our matching PJs, but we are going to have some tea. I made myself an apple cider, and we're going to decorate the tree. It is December 6th. It's December 6th. So it's late for us for decorating the tree. That being said, it's never too late to decorate it. I mean, there is such thing as too late because past Christmas is too late. So let's decorate the tree, have some apple cider, and yeah, just hang out. Got my hot apple cider. Super good. What?
All of our
posters?
Yeah.
No idea.
Okay.
Would you like to do the honors of lighting the tree?
Yes.
Ta-da! We still need to like even out the lights and also pull out the branches more.
We'll do that as we put the
things on. I'm gonna speed this up and do a little time lapse of us doing the tree, and then I'll show you guys at the end. So we usually stick with our theme being just red and bright and merry. So Steve went to just grab the ornaments, like the generic ornaments that we put on first. We have these like red ones, and then we just fill up the tree with all the ornaments that we've collected over the years. Such as, I showed these ornaments in a previous vlog, but they're just so cute. And we get to put them up on the tree today, which is so much fun. So, oh, our skirt's caught. We've got our little mousey, Galinda mousey. We've got our little bookworm mousey. Also, no, don't eat my ballerinas. And then we've got this ballerina, and we've got this ballerina. So I'm very excited to put these up. We also have Squishmallow ornaments. Are you already starting?
Yes.
Okay, I started. Elsa, do not drink my cider. True, I do. True.
Decorating the tree is such a fun tradition that we do, and we have a couple of traditions that we do over the holidays, which has been really fun to build those traditions over the year as a couple. This Christmas feels even more special being newly engaged, especially since we did just lock down our date, which I'm so excited to start wedding content with you guys because I'm just really excited to say I do, but also for the build up to it. I love the idea of organizing it and planning out certain things about a wedding. And I say certain things because just some things I think are a bit overwhelming, which is why the venue we went with is the venue we went with in the end.
All right, all that's left to do is
Put the star on.
nice. Let's do it.
Ready?
Yes.
This takes a second because I gotta screw it in.
Yay! Oh. Yay! Maybe just cover her up. Oh, it looks so nice, honey.
There's a light stuck in it.
We've got Galinda in here. My favorite ornaments, my little cat from, I want to say this is from 12 Dancing Princesses, I think. Nutcracker, maybe. Barbie, regardless. My point shoes, my little mouse. My point shoes, my real point shoes. Bunch of Squishmallows and a bunch of bows. Super ballet core, super girly. That was Elsa. That was disgusting. Some childhood ones, which are so cute. Girl, which are so cute. Classic.
Wait, did you call those Harry Potter ones childhood ones?
No, I was looking at my beautiful snowman.
Okay.
But the Harry Potter ones are not childhood. We got them going
Like
to...
a year or two ago.
Yeah, we got them from the Harry Potter Festival. We got the Ravenclaw, we've got the Hufflepuff, and we got the Slytherin. I said Hufflepuff.
What's that fish from?
I got this one because I just really liked it.
Yeah, but it's from a book.
Rainbow fish? It looks like rainbow fish. It's not
That's
though.
it. Yeah, you're right.
But it does look like him a lot. But yeah, I've got my ballerinas too. I love the way it looks. I'll post a picture on the side here. So pretty. It's like slowly falling. I'm going to do a little bubble bath tonight. It's already 10 p.m. and I've been super bad at opening up my advent calendars, so I wanted to open up advent calendar right now. I just opened up day number 8 and 9. So yesterday's advent calendar for Sage, I got this lavender and honey soap-filled wash pad, and then for today I got this appreciation inspiring oil blend. For the Wicked calendar today, let's see, today it is, I need to open number 8 and number 9. So number 8 here, so let's open it up. Day number 8 is, what is it, paper clip? Yes, a very cute butterfly paper clip. And day number 9, what could it be? There it is. Day number 9, let's open it. It is another tattoo maybe? Heat sensitive sticker, adhere to your mug. Cool, so I don't know what it is. Anyways, that is my advent calendar for the last 2 days because I missed yesterday's. I'm gonna go have a bubble bath now.